Yo, what's going on, guys? A little bit different today. We're going to be working on the shed instead of a car, which is a bit different, but it's going to make the setup so much better, and it's going to be a huge upgrade for painting cars. So yeah, let me show you what we're going to be doing. So this extension cord that goes up there goes along the roof and then out there and up to the house. I need to remove because I've since got proper wiring in and we've got light switches, which is pretty sweet. And obviously we got a 15 amp power plug over here. I needed a 15 amp plug for that power point, so that's pretty awesome that we got that set up. So now we can start using the big air compressor to paint cars, because we got a couple of them that need paint. Alright, let me set the camera down and I'm gonna pull all of the extension cord out, and I am actually really keen because I don't have an extension cord, so I want this one back. Got that all out of the roof. I want to put some plywood on the back wall here to mount the airline to the reel. Alright, so I found a scrap piece of wood, just this plank, and it's exactly the right size. So all I'm going to do is just cut one end off because it's tapered, and then I'll clean it up. I know it's not perfect, but you know, we're here to be practical. Yo, I got another piece to the puzzle for the Sora that I just want to quickly show you guys because I'm so excited about. Let's go! Yeah, I'm so excited about this new turbo. I don't have a manifold or an engine for that matter for the Sora, but I got a turbo. So it's a GTX 3076 Gen 2, which is pretty sick, and it's gonna make some decent power and noises. But yeah. Cut that hella straight. Perfect.
This is so fucking square right now. You don't even know. Done.
Let's go. Elite. Alright, now we've got to run this hose up through the roof and over to that corner where the hose reel is. I'm just gonna eyeball it.
Tonight I might be hanging from a what's inside of me, I feel so sliding in the beam of
This is an air regulator. This is an air filter, and then this one's the important one when painting. It's the water trap. So that stops the water that builds in the compressor going through the air hose and messing up your paint. Alright, cool. Now that we're done the airline stuff, I need to buy about 5 fittings so I can make them all connected and get that going. So we've done this as well, which is pretty sweet. So that's kind of it for the upgrades until I can go buy all those fittings. So we're going to work on the WRX for a minute.
Was there a trim here?
Yes.
Oh, it's fucking red.
Alright, well, I'm gonna change the battery while you do that. Got a brand new battery for it. Alright, we changed out this tail light from the broken one to the non-broken one. What are you doing at the moment?
Well, we're gonna fix this because this at the moment is sad, and this one is less sad.
Still a little bit sad.
It's a bit gross. It goes with the slime though, like all the.
This car is very
freebies.
slimy. What is that? Whoa! Oh my god! Holy shit, we're rich! We got the strut brace on. We got the new battery in. I'm not gonna change this yet, just because we're gonna do spark plugs and we're gonna have to pull that out straight away anyway. But that'll do for now. Whoa! Smoky. Alright, that's all for today. So we're gonna finish off those hoses in the shed and get all of that done tomorrow. But for tonight, that's it. Alright, I think we've got all the bits here. I'm pretty sure that's all the hose fittings that I need. We'll find out, but let me just quickly put all of that on and see how much pressure I guess we get out of this airline. Alright, so I've got one of the bulbs in, so I just need to tighten up the hose clamp on it. And then on this one as well, I need to do that. I bought the wrong size fitting for these, so we're gonna have to wait, which sucks. Just a little bit of water to help slip it on because it's really tight. Just gotta get that final bit on. That'll do for now, so we'll just put another hose clamp on. Now we've got this one where we can put it into the compressor, and then that one goes in here, and then this one here goes into there like that. But I bought the wrong size fitting. I don't know how. I bought 1/4 inch and I need 3/8. Perfect. Now we can put spray gun on that. Alright, so I got this little adapter, so it should be the right size, so it's not going to focus, but it should be the right size to screw in there, and then we can use this female piece. So let's do that. Alright, that little bit works, so we're able to get the females on. So we're able to just connect that one, and bam, it's all connected to the hose reel over there. Alright, let's try this again. That's so awesome now that we have like an actual practical setup with the airlines and stuff. I've got a air sander, like an orbital, and just like all the supplies and stuff. I've got everything to start painting cars, so that's a huge upgrade for the shed. So yeah, I think in the near future we're going to be painting the WRX and the Civic as well as you know, we got this R33 that we've got to do a little bit, and then the Z20, which is like my long-term project. So, but slowly we're going to chip away at everything. The WRX is going to be a big priority for the next like month or two. So yeah, but that's huge. I'm so happy that we got that done.